Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Imagine waking up tomorrow, no money, no job, no backup plan. Your family is depending on you, and failure is not an option. What would you do? Most people would panic, some would give up, but a very small number of people, would figure it out. This is the story of one of them. What if everything you have been told about success is wrong? What if money isn't the starting point? What if the real difference between people who stay stuck and people who build something from nothing is simply how they see the world? Today's story is not about luck, it's not about privilege, and it's definitely not about having resources. It's about a 16-year-old boy who had absolutely nothing and still found a way to win. Stay with me because this story might change how you see your own life. Peter's life didn't start with struggle. He had a simple life, not rich but stable, a father who worked hard, a mother who cared deeply. A home filled with small dreams, but life doesn't ask for permission before it changes everything. One day his father never came home, gone, just like that. No warning, no preparation. And with him went the family's only source of income. Silence filled the house. Bills started piling up. Food became limited. Hope started fading. At 16, Peter became the man of the house. But how can a boy carry a man's responsibility? Peter stepped out into the world, searching for work, shop after shop, street after street. Come back when you are older. We don't need anyone. You don't have experience. Rejection became his daily routine. Hunger changed everything. It changes how you think, how you feel, how you see the world. It removes comfort and exposes reality. There were nights when his siblings slept without eating, and those nights broke him. With no options left, Peter started collecting trash, plastic bottles, scrap metal, anything he could sell. Imagine that shift from dreams to survival. Peter noticed something most people would ignore: unused food, perfectly good ingredients thrown away. Bread, vegetables, spices, not rotten, not useless, just wasted. That moment looked small, but it wasn't. It was the beginning of everything. That night, Peter couldn't sleep, not because of hunger, but because of a thought. What if this isn't trash? What if this is opportunity? He remembered something his father once told him: value isn't in things, it's in how you use them. The sentence came back to life. Peter didn't have money, but he had something powerful: observation, creativity, and urgency. The next morning, he made a decision, not a perfect plan, not a guaranteed success, just a decision. I will try. Peter gathered those ingredients, cleaned them carefully, prepared them with effort. He made a simple food item, nothing fancy, but something real. Then came the hardest part: facing people, selling, risking rejection again. His hands were shaking, his voice wasn't confident, but he still asked, would you like to try this? Most people ignored him. Some laughed, but one person said yes, and that yes changed everything. That first sale wasn't just money, it was proof that his idea worked, his effort mattered, his situation wasn't permanent. The next day, he did it again, but better, improved taste, better presentation, more confidence. This is where most people fail. They try once and stop. Peter didn't. He kept going. Slowly, people started noticing him, not as the poor boy, but as someone who had something valuable. Days turned into weeks turned into months. Peter stopped collecting trash. He started buying ingredients. That's a powerful shift from survival to control. He reinvested everything. No luxury, no wasting money, only growth. Soon he had a small stall, then regular customers, then a reputation, and one day he realized something unbelievable. He wasn't just surviving anymore, he was building a business. Years later, Peter owned a proper shop, then multiple. He hired people, he helped others who were once like him. Most people say, I don't have money, but the real problem is they don't see opportunities around them. Action creates clarity. Peter didn't have a perfect plan. He acted fast and figured things out later. Thinking doesn't build success, action does. Small wins change identity. That fast sale changed how he saw himself. From helpless to capable, and that changes everything. Peter didn't feel motivated every day. He just didn't quit. Pain can be power. His struggle wasn't a weakness, it was fuel. If this story made you think differently, like the video, subscribe for more real stories, and comment. I will start now.